In this video, I'm going to show you how to define new requirement types and associate attributes with them. Keep in mind that in order to use the complete suite of administration tools, you must be a server administrator in Atlas. From the Home perspective, click the Admin Tools button to open the Administration Toolset. Click the Define Requirement Types tab to bring it forward. This window is divided into three sections. First, the pane on the left lists all of the currently defined and configured requirement types. On the top right side is a listing of attribute groups that are associated with the currently selected requirement type. And on the bottom is a listing of all user-defined attribute groups that can be assigned to the selected requirement type. So to summarize, attributes can be organized into groups and can then be associated with the selected requirement type. Let's start by creating a new requirement type. So we'll click the New Requirement Type button and call it Information Requirement. Then click the Create button. You'll see that the new requirement type has been added to the list. Now we need to associate some attributes with the requirement type. So down in the Available User-Defined Attribute Group section, let's select Documentation by clicking the blue plus sign. And let's also select Requirement Date Planning. We now have two attribute groups that gives us attributes like a list of team members on the team, a due date, and a completed date. And all of these attributes are now automatically associated with our selected requirement type of Information Requirement. And that's how you create new requirement types and associate attributes to that new type. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.